I am here to tell you about the key features of the SAI N-type aluminium ground mounting system developed by Xiamen SIC Solar. This product is an ideal solution for ground-mounted solar applications and can be conveniently installed with a wide tilt angle ranging from 0 to 60 degrees. It is made of aluminium, which is lighter than steel and thus facilitates easy transport and installation. The anti-corrosive property of aluminium ensures that the system can be used in outdoor settings, including coastal areas. SIC Solar is a high-tech enterprise that has over a decade-long experience in the manufacturing and sales of various photovoltaic products, such as solar mounting systems, suitable for small residential and large-scale roof or ground mounting projects, mounting system components, and panel cleaning equipment. With more than a 200-strong workforce, we employ modern production technologies, strict quality control, superior product design, and specifications to provide high-quality, cost-effective, and reliable products to our customers spread across the globe. Our experienced technical staff can provide professional support and on-site guidance for larger projects to ensure a trouble-free installation. All the components of our mounting system are pre-cut and pre-drilled at our factory, which helps in the easy system assembly, ultimately saving time and labour costs during installation. Versatile design allows the system to be used for both landscape and vertical array layouts, as well as for mounting frameless and framed modules. It has been tested for its mechanical strength according to various international standards, such as the Australian AS/NZS 1170 and Japanese JISC 8955, and is certified to withstand extreme weather conditions, such as wind speeds of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. It also comes with a 10-year product warranty and 25-year service warranty, guaranteeing the repair or replacement of the product or its parts if found to be defective during the warranty period. The system also can be custom designed according to the layout specification provided by the customer. The main frame of the system can be pre-assembled at our factory site and shipped to the customer, which would save installation time and costs. The leg cap that connects the main frame with the ground structure can be suitably designed for mounting the system with ground screws as well as concrete base structures. We have sold over 10 gigawatts of solar mounting systems to date, and our aluminium ground mounting system has been widely used in multiple high-capacity solar projects, including the 25 megawatt project in Brazil, a 17 megawatt project in Vietnam, 10 megawatt ground mount project in Thailand, a 5 megawatt mount in Poland, and so on. As proof of the system's quality and reliability, it is certified by multiple national and international standards such as the SGS, European CE, and others. The product is packaged for shipping in steel pallets for long aluminium profiles and cartons with plywood pallets for the small aluminium components. Customer service is at the heart of our business, and we will strive to promote the usage of green energy through our energy efficient projects.